to our students, faculty, and staff, I want to take a moment to welcome you to spring semester. I hope each of you had a productive winter session and are off to a great new year. With the beginning of classes and more possibilities for experiential learning, this semester is a wonderful opportunity to build off your progress and to learn inside and out of the classroom. Our faculty continue to increase and connect their research and creative activities to create public good, from water quality and environmental health to social demography and photochemical sciences. It is our faculty who work with our students to shape public debate and make a difference in our communities. In January, 60 faculty and staff were selected for a training as we focus on redefining student success. Our objective is to ensure Bowling Green State University provides more than just a degree, but prepares each student to be life ready so that they can live meaningful and productive lives. Beyond all that, I continue to be amazed by what this university accomplishes. In recent months, we've graduated 1,047 new alumni. The Maurer Center, the new home of the College of Business, continues to take shape. The Wall Street Journal ranked us number 3 for teaching quality among all of America's public universities. We created a new division of diversity and belonging to elevate our comprehensive efforts to these areas. Women's soccer became MAC champions, and don't forget men's basketball beat Toledo just last week. We've raised more than $187 million in our comprehensive campaign to support current and future students. The list goes on. Bowling Green State University is a public university for the public good. This is going to be a memorable semester, and I look forward to what we do next together. Ziggy Zumba.